Hello and welcome to Let's Win Your Tutorials by Team Latex. In this video we'll learn what is a follow-up widget and how to set up a follow-up widget. So when a visitor has closed the wheel without spinning it, you can follow up the visitor and make him spin the wheel. This can be done by enabling the follow-up widget while creating the campaign. So now first let me show you a live example of the same. So let's say someone comes to your website, sees the wheel, however chooses not to spin it and clicks on the no button. So as you can see, you can follow up the user with the help of a follow-up widget. So this is a follow-up widget. You can write this text whatever you want, and this is a CTA on clicking which the wheel will open up again, right? So this is a follow-up widget. So now to enable the follow-up widget, all you need to do is go to advanced settings and while creating a campaign and click on show enticing follow-up widget on direct close / no thanks. So you can select different widget type. For example, the type that I had shown was hello bar, right? So you can also choose a ribbon type, you can also choose a chiclet type. For example, if I'll say ribbon, I'll write the text spin now. I'll determine the position, for example top left, the ribbon color, the text color, the font and the text size, and all you need to do is click on save. Your campaign will be saved. Now go back to your website. Let me reload the website again. Now as soon as someone will click on this, as you can see, a ribbon will appear on clicking which the user can again spin the wheel. Similarly, you can set up a different type of follow-up widget, which is the chiclet. So now let us quickly go again to the advanced settings. So the third type of widget type is chiclet. So on choosing which, you can again write the text. A chiclet will be shown on the user screen. You can select, there are basically 12 different positions for chiclet, and you can select all those positions. The first type that I had shown you on the website was a hello bar. All you need to do is select the text, write the text, select the position, write the CTA text, like the CTA was spin now, enter the CTA text color, background color, widget text color, widget background color, CTA font and CTA